Okay, so hello, what's up? So for this video, I will show you how gender detection. By the way, this mini project or features is gagamitin natin siya in the project na gagawin natin. So in this gender detection, I'm using some pre-trained models. So meron tayong nakaset dito ng mga pre-trained models, and the gender list is male and female. Okay, so let's run this project. Alright, so it says running on HTTP localhost. So let's copy this and paste in the browser. So first we need to allow the camera in the browser. Alright, so it is now running. So first we need to capture the image, and it validates kung ano yung gender based on sa image na capture. So let's try. So ayan, it says gender. By the way, this features is gagamitin natin siya in the project na gagawin natin. So by the way, yung project na gagawin natin in the future will be KYC or Know Your Customer. So basically, we will have to build a platform. So this platform will be an identity verification platform or provider na pwede rin siya gamitin ng ibang system. So this will be this gender detection is one of the features na pwede natin ilagay. So to test, let's try to test another. Okay, and then I also have upload image. So let's try to upload some images. So let's try this angry face, male. Yeah, it says male. Let's try for another image, just Eminem. So it's gender male. Let's try for female. This one, si Angelina. Alright, so by the way, yung ginagawa nating project na to is meron pa siyang issue, kasi kung mapapansin nyo, it detects multiple faces or multiple faces, pero hindi naman siya actually face yung pangalawa na na-detect. So isa yan yung gagawin na kailangan pa natin i-enhance or i-train or i-update doon sa ating face or gender detection, especially dito sa detection ng face, kasi dapat hindi siya face itong pangalawang na-detect. So isa yan sa papagawin natin. And then ang napapansin ko dito is once na babies or baby pa yung mga feature na binavalidate as, doon siya nahihirapan. Like for example, mag-upload tayo ng baby images. So or try muna natin tong ibang images. Si Brad Pitt. Ayan, so male, tama naman. Itong Korean actress. Okay, female, so tama naman. Isa pa. Okay, so tama. Try natin yung sinasabi kong baby. Ito si Coco Martin, si Tanggol. So tama, male naman si Tanggol or si Coco Martin. Let's try some images ng to si Alice Go. Try natin to kung legit ba tong babae. Legit naman. Okay. Try na to si, nakalimutan ko pangalan itong babae na to, Korean actress. So female. So ito rin, dalawa yung faces na detect niya, pero Yun yung kailangan natin i-enhance doon sa ating gender detection. Sana yun ba? Let's try another face doon sa bata. Ito, dapat boy siya, dapat male, dapat yung result. So yan, so tama naman. So itong mga, dito siya nahihirapan actually kapag baby yung mga chine-check. Like, yan, boy. Pero some images na binabalidate is nagpi-fail siya. Like for example, itong baby. At some point, nagiging ano siya, male. Try natin i-detect. Yan, so dapat baby girl siya. Pero at this point, male yung lumalabas. So, probably sa detection ng hugis ng mukha. Dito kasi chine-check yan eh. So, from this, kino-convert yan. And then, kina-calculate yung eye, yung sa may mukha, mata. So, may eyebrow. And then, papunta doon sa nose. Doon kina-calculate yan. So, siguro dito siya nagkakamali or nagkakaroon ng problem since meron kasing boy or meron kasing sa mga baby kasi sometimes pag baby pa minsan kamukha siyang boy, di ba? Parang boy yung pag baby pa. So, siguro dito siya nagkakaroon ng problem. Pero yan, we need to fix this kind of issue. Okay, so let's try another, or try muna tayo mag-capture ulit. Baka maging girl na tayo. So male pa naman, okay. So try natin another image. So this one. Okay, so yan. So tama naman, female. So yeah. Yeah, pwede natin magamit to kung mayroong, pwede mo siya magamit if ever na may alinlangan ka dun sa kilala mong tao. So pwede mo siya i-detect kung male ba to or female. Joke lang. Just kidding. So yun, yun, kailangan natin i-fix yung issue dito kasi some faces is nagiging multiple or multiple yung nadidetect niya na faces, which is dapat kung isa lang naman yung face na nandun, dapat isa lang. Hopefully yung gagawin nating project in the future, magawa natin. Yung kailangan nating gawin is KYC platform. So yeah, that's it.